Hi guys, uh, I'm Nolisario and I want to share you this new videos. It's about the mock-up for the project of the client is Masdar Mubadala Company. It's in Abu Dhabi. The design architect is Edge Architect, EBSA LLC. The engineering consultant is WME. This is the Masdar headquarters. Based on the Revit files, based on their mock-up files, this is their mock-up files. It's a this one is 3D on 3D. When you zoom inside, it's on 3D, and they put on the outside, on the paper side, they put a visual style on it and put some color in it. This is a 3D. The client is Masdar City. Design consultant is Edge Architect, WME. It's in Abu Dhabi, Dubai. The project management is Elisdon. Supervision consultant is Stantec. Consultant is JLL. And the main contractor is Dutco Construction in Abu Dhabi. And the subcontractor is Petra Aluminum Metal Manufacturing. The project name is The Link. This is the headquarters, MH Master headquarters. Guys, based on the AutoCAD files, this is the mock-up. They don't have a on their shop drawing. They don't have this file. Based on the mock-up, this is a mock-up. It's a glass, a stick on underneath the cladding is a stick system of curtain wall. On the exterior side is the cladding, a cross. This is a cross. A slanted cladding, a diamond shape slanted cladding. So what I do is on the Revit files for the beam, as you can see, let's go to the west side. There's the curtain wall. This is a stick system also. When you go to the section, as you can see, the front side is the double cladding, and underneath the cladding is the curtain wall, the stick system curtain wall. I also made a what you call this, a bracket for the mullion. It's a TB1 bracket, just like the one that I made in the project in some of my videos. Just look in my videos, guys. You will see the bracket. of this kind. Also, let's go to the 3D. As you can see, guys, the top of the curtain wall, you can see that there's a bracket. No. Let's put, how do we, let's create a bracket ATB1 JT. There's the bracket, guys. Look, it can attach to any side of the face of the concrete. As you can see, guys, look, it's attaching on the side of the concrete. It will attach only on the wall. Also, I made the transom and the mullion based on the requirements of their shop drawing. As you can see, guys, there's on the top of the diamond shaped cladding, it's already have a declad also the top of the cladding, so no water will go inside the cladding, the diamond shaped cladding. On this side, as you can see, that is for the Facade, and a structural sealant will go here on this side. As you can see, guys, there's the Facade will go here inside this one. Yeah, that's one. That gap is for the Facade and for structural sealant. When you look at on our Revit beam mock-up, it look like this. Guys, if ever you have a question, or if you want to made this kind of beam model, or a mock-up model, or a concept drawing, you can email me at ensudario3@yahoo.com. I will post this to my LinkedIn account, so you can share this to your colleagues. This one is the collab. This one, let's see on the other side. This is the collab building of the Masdar. On their shop drawing, this is just their shop drawing on PDF, but on their AutoCAD drawings, based on their AutoCAD drawings, this is their mock-up. So there's a cladding also. It is designed like this. On the section, it's designed like this. On their mock-up, we have a 3D mock-up. This is their 3D mock-up, guys. Underneath the cladding is the stick wall, also stick curtain wall. Look at the corner. It's so amazing that they designed it like this. It's look in the, when you look at it, it's very good on the eyes. This one is the mullion and transom. They set up it on they set up it on a steel. They erect a steel, then set up the stick system curtain wall with the bracket. This is the bracket that I made also based on their based on this mock-up, I also put a bracket. But on my beam models, I put it on, not on steel but on a concrete, because under shop drawing, I think it's inside the concrete. Let's do again as you can see, guys, it's look like this on the corner. On the bird's eye view, it look like this. So anyone, if you want to have a beam model like this, just email me at ensudario3@yahoo.com. Also follow me at my YouTube channel, Tidals the Virus Official. And if you want to learn this kind of beam modeling in Revit, using Revit, just email me. Email me and we'll talk about it. It's embedded inside a wall. It have a, look at that, that is the bracket. The bracket is holding the mullion inside. As you can see, there's the mullion. It's holding the bracket. There's a bracket. There's a bracket. It's inside the wall, concrete wall. When you go to the west, it look like this, and the south, look like this. I don't put a gap, but I think if you're going to fabricate it, it will have a gap here on the middle, a half-inch gap for the, because they have a, on the AutoCAD files they have this one, the bracket, the bracket for holding the, this one, the bracket for holding that aluminum cladding, the diamond shape aluminum cladding. Yeah, the diamond shape aluminum cladding, a 3 mm AC aluminum composite panel cladding. There's a bracket on it. I did not model the bracket, but I can do that. I just want to show you guys that I just finished this one. I don't put the bracket because it's inside, it will not see on the section, but I can do that, guys. Also, I can put it here. On the other side, I did not. Let's go to the north side, east side. How about inside? I did not put a let's have this shaded. When you look at the shaded one, this one be, it's going to be look like this. Let's rotate it. Yes, look like that. On the bottom, it look like this. Also, it have an enclosure here, so no air and water will go inside. It's enclosed. This one, I did not put a transom here, and I think there's a, because they don't, on their mock-up, they don't have this corner mullion. That's why I don't have a profile to show you guys. Don't look, there's no profile for corner mullion. But if they have put a, if they put a corner mullion here, I can do it. I can do it, guys. So there's no corner mullion. That's why this 2 mullion will not support the transom here. So when you look at the bottom of the B models, there's no transom here. Because there's no mullion to support, to hold the one side, the other side of the transom. So guys, if you have a questions, suggestions, a comment, just put it here in my LinkedIn or YouTube account. If you want to learn a BIM module like this, just subscribe and follow me in my channel. We can talk about the, if you want to learn this kind of BIM modeling, just PM me in my LinkedIn channel or in my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye. Good night.